friends, welcome to my channel. So this one we have installed recently. This is called voltage controller device. So this one you can see the menu. This is M for menu. So this is power voltage. I have set for the 270, and this is low voltage, under voltage 190. This is time delay. So whenever this fluctuation is happening, it will take 10 seconds to 10 seconds it will hold the power, and afterwards it will give you the power. This one I'm also not sure. This one and this one you can ignore. So to test this one, I will simply on any fan. I will on one fan in my house. See, so C10 is so this is C10 and C16. I on the fan, so 0.4 voltage it is consuming. Let me stop the fan also. So as soon as I turned off the fan, it went to 0. So this is the live meter reading. This is very useful in the high voltage and low voltage controlling. It will control. So if you see the menu again, so this is the power voltage, right? What is exactly will happen is if you're receiving higher voltage than this 270, automatically this will go turn off. It will turn off and the power will not come to us. This is the around two. One cost is 1,400, and including two I got for the 3,000 around.